Truist Financial Corporation is an American bank holding company. The company was formed in December 2019 as the result of the merger of BB&T and SunTrust Banks. It is on the list of largest banks in the United States by assets. As of June 2021, it is the 10th largest bank with $509 billion in assets. As of January 2021, Truist Insurance Holdings is the 7th largest insurance broker in the world. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. This is Help Tech and today we are back with another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of downloading and logging into the mobile banking service of Truist Bank. So let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and then in the search bar type Truist and search for it. So here's the Truist mobile banking app that you are looking for. To download the app, all you have to do is tap on the Get option right here. In place of Get option, there is Open option in my screen. This is because I've already downloaded the app. Now to go to the app, tap on Open. The app might take some time to load. Once loaded, you need to provide your user ID and password in order to sign in. Provide all the asked details and after that tap on Sign In. And that's it. You'll be logged into the mobile banking service of Truist Bank. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.